Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash the like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Alright guys, before I begin, I want to look at the markets briefly. Current market cap is $1.46 trillion and BTC dominance is pulling back down and it's at 60.4% despite the fact that BTC is still on the rise, trying to break that 50k mark. So that's very bullish sign. So that means altcoins are moving with Bitcoin. Very interesting, guys. So today I want to talk about none other than XRP. I want to share some thoughts about XRP and where I could see XRP go in the upcoming couple months. So before I begin, XRP is currently trading at 52 cents right now, up 1.7% in the USD comparative, but in BTC comparative, it's down 6.3%. Current market cap of 23.7 billion dollars, and yeah, like a trading volume at 4.9 billion dollars. So I want to share this article with you guys first. So I will leave the link in the description box below. Um, so Analyst says XRP poised to pop and outperform Bitcoin. Here's his target. So, pseudonymous crypto strategist with a large following on Twitter is bullish on XRP. The trader known in the industry as Credible Crypto tells his 113,000 followers that the crypto asset is likely to break out against Bitcoin in the short term. So this is what he had to say. Did I mention I think XRP is gonna pop? Odds XRP increase against BTC here are high, betting that XRP will outperform BTC from current levels is an extremely low risk, high reward bet to make. I'm taking it. XRP's price took a big hit in the late December after the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) filed a lawsuit against Ripple, alleging the company illegally sold the assets as an unregistered security and continued to do so to this day. Earlier this month, XRP briefly exploded in a value to more than 70 cents, but it has since lost much of that ground. So it's still holding the 6th rank on coin market cap, but Cardano and Dot have taken it because it was hanging out at that 4th spot, but Cardano's been on an absolute rise. Goguen is supposed to launch this month and Dot is flying as well. So XRP did get pushed down to the 6th place as of now. So, despite its previous negative price action in response to the SEC lawsuit, Credible Crypto does not think the lawsuit will factor into XRP's performance in the short term. Well, the court decision, if it comes to that, is literally months away, and so is not a factor that needs to be considered in an immediate short term. Risk is defined because we have a clear invalidation point, and the upside potential, if current levels hold, is far greater. So this is what he had to say. $30 was the highest in my range. $20, $20 to $30 was my expectation. I would still think the range is feasible, but I will likely start taking some profits as we approach $10 due to the uncertainty around SEC situation. So this is what this one of the big analysts has to say. But again, we have to take his opinion, because this is just his own opinion and he's just speculating, so we have to take it with a grain of salt. But let's jump into XRP's price action and see where we could see it go. So guys, it's trading at 52 cents right now, despite the fact that it has a lawsuit against, so SEC has a lawsuit against Ripple, which is a parent company of XRP. It's still at 52 cents, which is very impressive. But the reason it's so high is because obviously the altcoin season is booming right now. Altcoin season has already begun, and we're seeing gains after gains being made on altcoins. But XRP still hasn't seen that big, like I said, like I previously mentioned, it did have that pump all the way up to 75 cents just a couple days ago. Let's go back to 14 days. Yeah, so right here, it went all the way to 75 cents, but it pulled down. So these are big whales taking profits. And because this was pumped, this was just a pump and dump. This was like planned, clear manipulation. But since then, very, steady rise. A lot of people are saying that there is a chance for XRP lawsuit to be dropped. Like SEC might drop that case, but still there are a lot of investors right now, like a lot of crypto investors and a lot of like these institutional investors on the sidelines for XRP. They're not 100% convinced until they hear an official statement come out from SEC and XRP about the lawsuit, which is months away right now. So in the meantime, there is still upside potential as we see the altcoins rally. Like there's all these altcoins rallying. There are these big whales that want to pump XRP, so they could pump XRP and it could go up if if the SEC lawsuit weren't if it did not happen back in December, and the Coinbase delisting did not happen right now, I believe XRP would have stayed at its fourth spot, because, or even third, would have taken a tether even, because XRP army is strong and everything is going up right now. All these altcoins are going up. So if this never happened, XRP would have already been at $5 to $6. It would have already hit its all-time high, because we're seeing all these old, altcoins like Ethereum, Bitcoin. It's not an altcoin, but yeah, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all these other currencies approaching their all-time high, and I don't see why XRP wouldn't have, reached its all-time high by now if it was not, having this lawsuit and a lot of uncertainty against it. But this does not mean that there aren't eyes on XRP right now. There are tons and tons of eyes on XRP right now. Like a lot of people are just on the sidelines waiting to see that official statement to be made by the SEC and XRP. And then if SEC drops the case, then I believe XRP is about to explode, definitely. But there's obviously, we got to look at it from the other point of view as well. If the lawsuit doesn't get dropped, then XRP will drop even further. Then I believe there is bad times ahead for XRP. But in the short term, I kind of do agree with the analyst, but this is just my own personal opinion. I kind of do agree with the analyst. I believe as we see more and more altcoins start popping, these investors, they know XRP hasn't really moved compared to all these other altcoins, and XRP army is strong. There's a lot of hype, a lot of big influencers, shilling XRP. So I wouldn't see why they wouldn't pump XRP and more and more money starts flowing into XRP. So I wouldn't be surprised if it were to hit its all-time high even before we hear anything regarding the lawsuit. But this is a very, very risky play, though. Very, very risky play. So always do your own due diligence and always invest what you can afford to lose. I am not touching any XRP right now, but I had to share this video with you guys about this analyst, what he's saying, and I kind of do agree with him. There is a possibility of some gains to be made in XRP right now before the lawsuit. If we hear more about the lawsuit, but very, very risky play as of now. But if we're looking at the Google Trends right now, flattened out the entire year, but we're picking up. Everything's picking up. Like I said, we're in an altcoin rally. We're in a bull run in crypto. Everyone's looking into XRP. XRP is one of the currencies that has been in the markets for a long time. A lot of people do know about XRP, so a lot of people are researching it, but a lot of people are on the sidelines. This pump could honestly, like even this pump that we're having right now, this honestly could be from retail investors, the new investors that don't know anything about the SEC lawsuit. They're just jumping into XRP because big influencers shilling it. So this could be one reason as to why we're seeing this recovery happening. But the sophisticated investors, you guys know what they do. They could pump it. They could already have their positions in right now. But when this kind of pump happens, what do? They dump their bags, and then once they dump their bags, the new money sadly loses money because they panic sell and they lose money. It's just how markets work. That's why you always got to do your due diligence and research before investing in the markets, and always invest what you can afford to lose. Now, finally, before I finish off this video, can XRP reach its all-time high before we hear anything about the case? I believe there is a chance, because the all-time high was $3. Let's go look at it right now. It was $3.40. That is still quite a while away, but there is a possibility for that to happen. But $10, like the analyst is saying, I highly, highly doubt it. But like I said, only future will tell. I could be wrong, but I highly doubt that XRP could hit $10 before we hear anything. But like I said, if anything positive comes out for XRP, there are some positive things about XRP coming out. You know how Japan, one of the banks, allows people to earn interest on XRP, which is very bullish. That's like a very bullish sign. But if we keep on hearing more and more good news, then I could see XRP moving up and having some good gains to be made. But if we hear something negative happen, then I believe there is some downside potential for XRP. Sadly, we just got to look at that, guys. We always got to keep that in mind. We always got to look at both the good side and the bad side when we're investing in anything. But yeah, guys, let me know your thoughts down below. What do you guys think XRP will be trading at the end of the month? Do you guys think XRP could hit its all-time high before we hear anything about the lawsuit, or you think that's not gonna happen at all? There's no chance. What do you think about this analyst saying like XRP could hit $10 in the short term? Let me know your thoughts down below. I would love to know your thoughts down below. I know XRP community is very, very huge. I have nothing against XRP, as you guys may know. XRP like was one of the first coins I bought when I started investing into cryptocurrency. I have a special place for XRP in my heart. I don't want anyone losing money, but we always have to do our research and always got to invest what we can afford to lose. But yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys, and stay safe out there, because safety comes first, health comes first, and family comes first, and everything else comes later. And yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna wrap it up around here. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.